All right, guys. This how I ship seats. Anybody that want to know, you can ship this seat whole if you want to, but it's gonna cost. It probably will cost about $200 per seat, maybe 200 to 400. I'm assuming because of the weight. But you're gonna go if you ship, you're gonna go here from here to there for the length, from there to the width, and let's see, your height. They're gonna look at this to that. That's always the longest part is your length. The second part is your width. The third is your height. And this is how they gonna do it. They're gonna do here, there, to there. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna break the seat apart. This is a Gbody seat, and it's being shipped, I think, 13 hours away from where I am. I'm gonna break this seat down into 4 pieces. This is gonna be 1 piece. This is gonna be 2 pieces, 3, 4. So it'll be one of 4, 2 of 4, 3 or 4, 4 of 4. And I used to do it in boxes because I ship parts all over. But the box is gonna make it have more length, more weight, and all that. So I already got a price on what it's gonna cost because this is not my first time shipping. So I'm gonna wrap this up in long tube with this wrappers. Same thing as saran wrap. I'm gonna wrap it tight. It's gonna be waterproof because it's gonna be sealed tight. And I got this Gorilla Tape packaging tape. I'll show you a photo of what it looked like when I'm done. All hardware will be included in the seat. So when this guy get it upholstered, whatever, he'll have all the hardware to put it back. So got a good deal on it, good deal on shipping it. So this is what I do, but I want to share this with guys that don't know how to do it. So this is how we're gonna do it. Let me get it done, start breaking it down, get my impact out, and all the tools that I need. But and I'll share with y'all the final footage. Removing this bolt here with a T50. This is how it was. The washer was in between here and there, so I already separated that. So I'm about to remove these clips here, this one and that one. And I think it's, let's see here. Screw there, screw there, screw there. Phillip head screw and all 4 of those. Next step, I'm gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 13 millimeter bolts. You can see I put the Phillips screws back in to where I took the clips off. So let me get that done. Right. Here we go. So it's broke down. So that's packaged. Those will be one by themselves. I'm probably try to wrap it up too and see how it goes. But usually it's cheaper when you can make it smaller and the weight. So I'm gonna keep you updated on when I put it on the scale and see how much it is. I gotta put this. What I'm gonna do is put the hardware. Let's show you here. And I'm gonna wrap this up as one. Put all this, and it'll be on one of the seats or between. It depends on what the weight is. I'm about to do that right now, and I'll let you guys know. And like I said, this was less than 5 minutes on breaking this seat down. Got to mention, these have to come off on the Monte Carlo seats. I don't know how other seats are, but these are the Monte Carlo bucket seats, and this piece will have to come off, and it will be in a package wrapped up with those other accessories. Right, so what I did decide to do here, you can see, I decided to put some just some extra protection on the back, and I put one, you can see it there on the front. So I'm gonna add that to all 4 pieces. First part of one of 4 is done. Now I'm about to wrap it up, 2 layers around this way and 2 that way. That way it's secure. I don't have to worry about it. So That's 1 of 4. And when it comes to packaging, certain things I box up. If it's something like this, I use Gorilla Tape. I have other packaging tape, but I want this to be secure. So this Gorilla Tape, that's #1 on my list. It's a little expensive. That roll is $60. And I believe, I can't remember how much this was, about $15, maybe $20, but it's worth it. And I factor all that in when I ship, and I put insurance on my packages when I ship. First package is complete. That's it. First one is done. Quick update. Let's see what I got going on here. You can see I got the passenger side labeled. I'm gonna take the driver's side bottom, and I'm gonna put the bracket in there. I put the clips back on the bracket with the 4 screws that hold it in the Phillip head. So that's gonna go on there. I'm gonna put the driver's side bottom. I'm gonna sandwich the bracket in between here, wrap it up. The back, I'm gonna wrap up by itself like this. The hardware, I'm putting in a bag, and I'll tie the bag to each bracket. I have a bag for the driver's side, and so the guy know where it's going. Like, I thought it was 12 hours. It's actually 17 hours away. This is where it's going. I just looked, so this is going to be shipped 17 hours away, and I want to make sure that it make it to this guy without any issues. So I said it was going to be 4 packages. It's going to be 3. I just weighed this, got the dimensions, everything, and what made this one different is the back is longer, plus the headrest. So that's not bad. So, and this part here is going to be lighter. So just keep you updated on what I got going on here, man. Stay tuned. Here we go. Driver's side. So when you get it, you know that driver's side goes with that. Passenger goes with that. So, and this right here will go on here. I may turn it around. I'll see which way it's better. There we go. That right there. And I'm gonna put a box, put a piece of that cardboard on the top and bottom so I won't rip the seats. I don't know what he gonna do with them. If he upholster them, he may put them in for now. He bought them and they didn't look like they didn't have any rips on that part, so I'm gonna make sure to get to him with no rips on it in the same locations. He know about the other rips, but I wanted to get them as he bought them. Stay tuned. There it is, guys. 3 packages. 2 bottoms, driver, passenger side. Hardware is inside the cushion in there, which I showed y'all. And time to get them loaded and ship them.